Choosing the right table tennis racket can be tricky. Poor grip, weak spin, low control, or uncomfortable handles can seriously affect your performance. That's why selecting a quality racket matters, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or competitive player. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best table tennis rackets designed for speed, spin, control, and durability. These rackets are suitable for training, club matches, and serious play. We analyzed product specs and real user feedback to build this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more smart sports gear reviews.
Number 5. Stiga 6-Star Double Pimples-In Racket. The original Stiga 6-Star Table Tennis Racket is built for players who want balanced performance with reliable control. It features double pimples-in rubber that delivers consistent spin and stable ball response during rallies. The blade construction provides good speed while maintaining accuracy, making it suitable for intermediate players. Comfortable grip design reduces hand fatigue during long matches. It also comes with a protective cover, adding value and durability. This racket is ideal for training sessions, club play, and players looking to improve their technique.
Number 4. HUIESON 8-Star Walnut Carbon Racket Set. The HUIESON 8-Star racket features a premium walnut surface with a 5-ply wood and 2 inner carbon layer construction for extra power and stability. Designed for adult players, it offers strong attacking performance while maintaining good control. The carbon layers enhance speed and reduce vibration, delivering a solid hitting feel. This 2-piece set is perfect for doubles practice or backup use. With excellent balance between power and precision, it's a great choice for advancing players. Number 3. YINHE 982 Hinoki Penhold Blade. The YINHE 982 is a high-quality Japanese Penhold table tennis blade made from 1-ply solid Hinoki wood. Known for its soft touch and explosive speed, Hinoki provides excellent ball feedback and natural elasticity. This blade is favored by offensive players who rely on quick attacks and precise placement. Lightweight yet powerful, it offers exceptional control for close-to-table play. Ideal for experienced Penhold players seeking traditional feel with professional-level performance. Number 2. TIBHAR 9-Star Carbon Sticky Rubber Racket. The TIBHAR 9-Star Table Tennis Racket is designed for serious players who demand high spin and aggressive play. It features a carbon blade combined with superior sticky pimples and rubber for maximum grip on the ball. This setup delivers powerful topspin shots while maintaining excellent control during fast exchanges. The professional-grade construction ensures durability and consistent performance. Perfect for competitive matches, this racket suits players who focus on attacking strategies and fast-paced gameplay. Number 1. DHS 6-Star 6002/6006 Hurricane 8 Racket. The DHS 6-Star 6002/6006 racket stands at the top with its Hurricane 8 tin arc rubber and high-quality blade construction. Designed for shakehand players, it offers outstanding spin, speed, and control. The FL handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing precise shot execution and powerful smashes. Trusted by professional-level players, this racket excels in both offensive and all-around play. It also includes a protective caseback, making it a premium all-in-one choice. A quality table tennis racket can elevate your game with better spin, speed, and control. These 5 rackets offer excellent performance for different playing styles and skill levels. Whether you're training or competing, there's a perfect option here. Which one would you choose? Comment below and subscribe for more sports gear reviews.